Okay. So
I request
I welcome all
participants not to present
participants.
your screen, please. Thank you.
Yes, over to you, Dr. Nirupama.
Okay. Okay, sir. Good morning to all. I welcome you all in this valedictory session of Skill Development Program on Online Tools. I am pleased and honored to introduce our eminent chief guest, Dr. Parul Saxena, Assistant Professor and Campus Head, Department of Computer Science, Kumaun University, SSJ Campus, Almora. Dr. Saxena is specialized in artificial intelligence, signal processing, soft computing techniques. Dr. Parul Saxena has attended more than 30 national and international academic programs and has presented more than 25 papers in national and international conferences. Dr. Parul Saxena has published many papers in national and international journals having high impact factor and published one book having name Numerical Analysis and Programming. Dr. Parul Saxena has published many chapters in various books. Dr. Saxena is member of many Indian academic associations like Indian Science Congress Association, Indian Unit of Pattern Recognition and Artificial Intelligence, Society for Research in Biological Science. We are very privileged to have you, ma'am, on this valedictory session of Skill Development Program. Now I call up on Dr. Parul Saxena, ma'am, to share a few words with us. Dr. Parul Saxena, ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nirupama, Honorable Patron of the event, Professor Kamla Chanial and Professor A.K. Mishra, convener of the program, Dr. Adarsh Pandey, course director, Dr. Atul Uprati, organizing secretary, Dr. Jaya Kanpal, co-organizing secretary, Dr. Ramesh Chandra, and esteemed faculty members, research scholars and students, and all the other participants. A very good morning to all of you. And I am highly thankful to whole organizing team to provide me this opportunity to share a few words on this event in this program on skill development program on online tools. Am I audible to you all? Hello.
Yes,
ma'am.
you are audible.
Yeah,
You are clearly
yeah.
audible, ma'am.
Good, good,
Please.
good. So this was the era of 1960s when Cold War was running among various countries, and a small academy, Advanced Research Project Academy, ERPA, started to derive one network, and this network was called ARPANET. This was the 1960s era, and ARPANET was very small network which was basically designed for a small group of scientists, and those scientists shared their views through this ARPANET. Then later on, US Academy, National Science Foundation, NSF, started to enhance some advanced feature in this network. In ARPANET, some advanced features were added on, and then NSF Net was launched in 1970s, and network started to grow. Later on, when TCP/IP transmission control protocol was launched for internet, then internet was introduced in this world. And since the starting of internet, the term online was introduced. So internet is the basic need of today's era. No, we can't survive, we can say, because in this era, this is the need, basic need of all of us. And after this internet, everything has been globalized in this world, and now we all are in touch with each other. Things are globalized. Whenever we are putting a small view on web that is accessible to whole world. Everybody can view it and can make comment on it. Initially, this was not the thing. So these online tools are very important when we want to share our views over this internet. And no doubt many of these tools like Google Forms, Google Classroom, Google Add-on, you have studied during this workshop. And I think these tools are not limited. There are number of tools available for sharing our views over the internet. For classroom teaching, we can go through Zoom app, go to webinar, WebEx, and these Google Classroom, Google Meet, no doubt. So many tools are available. But very important thing is how to conduct laboratories on web. So we are having so many tools available to conduct online laboratories. Onlinelabs.in website is there, onlinelabs.in, and in this website so many tools are available for physics, chemistry, biology, anatomy, engineering, mathematics, and design and applications, etc. So many tools are available on this website, onlinelabs.in. You can go for virtual lab. You can teach your students by using these virtual tools. These are very good. You can go for frog dissection. Dissection box tool is there, and by picking those particular tools and by knife and by scissors, you can select the option and you can conduct the complete frog dissection over this virtual laboratory. Even you are having chemistry laboratories are there. There are separately rooms designed in such a way, if you enter to labs, you are having bottles marked acids, salts. You can select those bottles and you can select the amount of the salt to be selected, and you can conduct the experiments virtually. So many simulators are available there. You can teach your students. We all can teach our students through these virtual labs. So not only we can cover the theory part, we can also cover the practical sessions to various students. And this is the beginning. And we, the people of computer science, are constantly engaged in designing such type of tools based on artificial intelligence. And then for conducting examination, for conducting objective examination, so many tools are available there. Google Form is one of the way. You can conduct online quizzes, and many other tools are there. But if you want to conduct subjective exam, then you can go through Eklavya software, and that Eklavya program is there, through which you can conduct subjective examination in proctored environment. What is that proctored environment? In proctored environment, students are visualized through sensor, and these sensors work as the invigilator for the student. Means if a student is not cheating, this sensor can send and can give feedback to the main authority that this particular student is cheating. So he or she can warn the student. So in proctored environment, subjective examination is conducted. In this Eklavya environment, we can go through various things. And there is one speech to text editor. For conducting subjective examination, one speech to text editor is there. Whatever you are speaking, that is directly converted to the speech and is written on the screen of the student. And also he or she may get some options from the correct word. He may select. If the word is not appropriate, then it can be replaced by the choice of the student. So speech to text converter is there. Also some images, if you want to draw some images, you may upload your content by attaching that particular file. So Eklavya is very good application program to conduct on subjective online examinations. And side by side, the concept cloud has been launched. Initially, we all face the problem of resources. Everybody can't purchase every software. This is not possible at all. And every organization can't afford all the possible infrastructure. So the cloud concept was launched over web. What is this cloud? This cloud is the concept in which the persons can share many things. They can share the resources over web. They can share infrastructure. They can share the softwares. They can share many other facilities available over cloud. Even now, the problem of space has been removed. So there are so many features available of these online tools. So many tools are available, and this is the starting of this era. This is not the end, and we have to go a long way, and we all are learners, and we have to follow all these tools. And being the learner of computer science, I want to share this application development, this Google Meet, WebEx, or any application program development is not a one-day task. It's a teamwork, and it's the result of many days' effort. When whole team is engaged in designing such kind of programs, then the result is good. And basically, first of all, we go through the requirement, what is the need of the user, and then we study the feasibility, what kind of software we may design, what are our restrictions, what kind of facilities we can provide to the user. And then after going through all the needs, we go for basic planning, and then we design the complete algorithm for that particular problem. And then we compile, we implement the design individually in a team. If there are 100 members, then all hundreds are distributed some work, and then individuals are allowed to compile their work individually, and then finally the complete work is clubbed, and then a complete project is checked, and it is tested against various things, and later on, after testing, it is released over web, and then we get feedback from all over the world, and through that feedback we make changes in this particular application program, and then finally it becomes available on web to you all. So many programs are available, so many things are available, so many things are to share among the students, and we can day by day, the new things are coming in the market. But these are the results of very important efforts done by great scientists, great workers, great mathematicians, etc. So I think without wasting any more time of you people, and I want to conclude these things: go through technology, but don't be confined to these technology. Share your own views also, and enhance your views, and do not hide your work in your computer only. and publish it on web and make it available to all over the world. Thank you. Thank you so much to you all.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much, ma'am, for such nice and informative lecture. I am also thankful to all the participants from various countries and states who attended this program, and I am confident that all the participants must have benefited from this program. I would like to thank all the members of organizing committee for arranging such a wonderful program. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I call Dr. Opreti sir.
Thank you, Dr. Dalakuti. I'm not using video as my network is not so good. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Parul Saxena, Head Department of Computer Science, Almora Campus, Kumaun University. Thank you, ma'am, for a very well articulated and very informative lecture. And I would like to thank Dr. Adarsh Pandey for conceptualizing this entire program. And I would like to share a few words with all the participants about this program and why we formulated this program. We know that internet has grown from an almost non-existing medium to for transferring data into the largest and most accessible database, and rather a highway of information for every sort in the last 2 decades. Its biggest power is that it is created not by a person or an institution or a country, but by billions of contributors and users from each and every corner of the world. The internet doesn't belong to a person, society, or creed, but its reach is beyond any politico, socio-economic boundary. Internet has changed the way people communicate, they do businesses, and share information, and it has changed the process and reach of teaching and learning dramatically. But as we talk about use of ICT and digital platforms, we must not forget the digital divide, which is being widened day by day. Teachers, training and skill development programs to equip teachers and students to students of present time in the challenge that need of our to contribute our little bit towards narrowing this program. This program was designed and conceptualized to benefit those teachers and students who know a little, who know the basic know-how of the computers, but are not aware of the tools, online tools. So we conceptualized that we must introduce them to a few tools, and really Dr. Adarsh Pandey has worked very hard to get all the members on board. He was the one who actually planned the program, designed it, asked us to contribute our lectures and material with the participants, and the entire credit goes to him for conceptualizing this program. And I would like to thank Dr. Jayakant Pal also, because she was a last minute entry in our program, and I remember that when I asked her to contribute some of the lectures, just 1 or 2 days before we were going to start our programs, because we were together in a refresher course where she topped our college. So I thought she must be there in our program. So thank you,
Dr. Shall we move to our participants for few words?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I would like our participants to give
Can I call Dr. Sugandha Singh from Bhopal for say a few words?
Please, ma'am, please.
Dr. Sugandha Singh.
Yeah, thank you for this thank you very much, sir, for this opportunity. And first of all, please accept my heartfelt congratulations for initiating such good academic program, which is very much worth considering today's pandemic times. So we all have to be very flexible and adopt ourselves to this new normal and be open to all such kind of online learning strategies. So this was a very short, crisp, and very updated information we got about various e-learning tools in your program. And the program was well automatized also. We had spick span tools for learning, as well as used for mentoring our students, which are very easy to handle also. And these are all offline tools, so it becomes again very easy and a flexible approach to handle such tools, to learn, and then to disseminate the same to our students also. So very well managed, very well organized, very short and crisp, and very precise videos also. Like they were very handy and very meaningful information we got. And if we see the duration of the time, anytime we could see those videos and respond to the quiz. And then even the time that was that was very well managed. Time factor is again very, very important thing for successful accomplishment of any academic event. So heartfelt congratulations to you. It was a great learning, and to you and your entire organizing team also, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I would like to call Reshmi Chatterjee from West Bengal. Reshmi, can you hear me?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Please.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for organizing this lecture. It was a wonderful workshop. Means over the virtual platform, it becomes quite difficult for the students as well as for the teachers also to teach them. So I think it couldn't have been much easier by the techniques you have taught. Actually, I do have certain queries regarding this. I think that if you organize more such programs in the coming days, it will be really helpful for the teachers like us who are not much aware of all these technologies. But I would like to thank you from the core of my heart for giving such a beautiful demonstration, and the YouTube videos were really, really user friendly. So thank you and congratulations to all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So now I would like to call Mr. Ashok Panchal from Rajasthan. Mr. Ashok, are you there? Mr. Ashok Panchal from Rajasthan. I think he may have removed. I would like to call Dr. Divya Bhadoria from Kanpur. Dr. Divya, please. He is not here. She is not here, I think so. I would like to call Mr. Sandeep Pramanik from West Bengal. Mr. Sandeep, please.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, to all. Good morning to all. Thank you, sir. You organize such a great program. It's very useful and helpful to us. We are very grateful to being a member of the program. So I heartily thanks to all of you, and expect from you that you organize such a great and helpful program in near future again. Thank you, Adarsh sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Miss Shraddha from Maharashtra. Shraddha, are you there? Shraddha from Maharashtra. I think she is not here. Hello, Shraddha, are you there? Please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shraddha Deshmukh from Maharashtra, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity. Sir, I am very much thankful for the organizing committee for arranging such types of very informative and fruitful session. Your lectures and videos gives us inspirations to teach or to learn something which is very helpful to us, and you explain it in a very simple manner. I learned a lot, and every day I am thinking what you are going to teach us. I am very much learned, sir, from this workshop. I request you to arrange such types of webinars, programs in future. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shraddha. We are going to organize an international e-conference on 8th of August. I'll send you the brochure. Okay? So keep in touch with us. Thank you so much. Anyone from Nepal? Mr. Kulshekhara Upadhyay from Nepal. Can you hear me? Anyone from Tamil Nadu?
Excuse me, may I speak?
Yeah. Vivek Dungal ji, please go ahead.
Hello, good morning everyone. It's me Vivek Dungal from Nepal, BSc final year student from Trisanda Multiple Campus, Tribhuvan University. I would like to acknowledge the organizing committee and all the experts for creating such a platform of learning. Hope the organizer will create the similar platform in coming days too, and will provide us the opportunity to learn. Thank you all the participants for their wonderful sharing of your ideas and knowledge, and thank you all my respected gurus for giving their valuable time and support on this platform. Thanking you all.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody from Kerala? Anybody has joined from Kerala? Because we
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I am from Kerala.
Okay.
This is a very good seminar. Yeah, this is a very wonderful seminar. I can gain so much knowledge from it. Thank you all the organizers for conducting such a seminar. I am expecting like this future also, like this seminars.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Dr. Savita from Hapon, can you speak a few words for us? Dr. Savita?
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सबसे पहले तो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम को बधाई देना चाहूंगी कि अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया आप लोगों ने। ये कोविड-19 के दौर में, ऑनलाइन टीचिंग के दौर में ये इस वक्त की जरूरत भी थी। आपके वीडियो सभी बहुत छोटे-छोटे टाइम के बने हुए थे, आसान लैंग्वेज में थे, मीनिंगफुल थे, बड़े अच्छे लगे। इसके लिए मैं डॉक्टर आदर्श पांडे, अतुल उप्रेती सर और जया मैम को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी। डॉक्टर अतुल सर, मैं आपके लिए मेरा पास एक सजेशन है। हेलो
जी मैम, बताएं प्लीज।
सर, जैसे मैं एजुकेशन फील्ड में हूँ, तो हमारे यहाँ जो है टीचिंग में कुछ सिखाने के लिए शोइंग, टेलिंग, डूइंग 3 चीजों पे फोकस किया जाता है। आपके वीडियोस में दिखाई भी दिया रहा था, बताया भी जा रहा था, लेकिन डूइंग वाला पर्सपेक्टिव पे जरा काम कम हुआ। मेरा ये मानना था कि अगर जैसे आप काउट या कोई गूगल क्विज थी, तो अगर उस क्विज को पार्टिसिपेंट को कहा जाता कि इस पर 5 या 6 या 10 क्वेश्चन बनाकर अपलोड करते या ग्रुप पे डालते, तो वो ज्यादा सीख पा सकते थे।
बहुत अच्छा सजेशन है मैम, हम लोग बिल्कुल ध्यान रखेंगे। आदर्श सर, जरा मतलब हम लोग इसको नोट करते हैं। आपको ध्यान होगा हम एक क्विज बनाने भी वाले थे, क्विज ऑफ क्विजेज, वैसा ही कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट मैम ने कहा है। बहुत बढ़िया बात कही मैम आपने, इसको हम बिल्कुल ध्यान रखेंगे। बल्कि अगली बार से हम लोग कुछ असाइनमेंट्स भी सोच रहे थे रखने के लिए, कि ताकि बच्चे वीडियो बनाए और हम लोग को सेंड करें और हम उसको अपने फीडबैक दे सकें। थैंक यू।
और सर, एक आदेश सर के लिए भी क्वेश्चन था। हेलो,
ये बताइए।
हाँ जी सर, एक तो सर आप बड़े एनर्जेटिक, मल्टी टैलेंटेड, इंस्पायरिंग हैं। आपसे हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और आपके SRBF से जुड़ के भी बहुत कुछ मैं देख रही हूँ, सीख रही हूँ। इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। एक क्वेश्चन मेरा आपसे है कि काउट क्विज में, हेलो सर, काउट क्विज की रिलायबिलिटी क्या है? जब सारे पार्टिसिपेंट के क्वेश्चन सेम होते हैं, आंसर सेम सॉल्व कर लेने के बावजूद स्कोर डिफरेंशिएशन रहता है सर। तो आप मुझे टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करें ये बताओ। हाउ कैन वी गेट मैक्सिमम मार्क्स इन काउट क्विज?
जितनी जल्दी आप क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे देंगे, उतनी ही ज्यादा आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे।
तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करा जाए सर? वो तो हम समझ गए कि जल्दी कर देंगे, तो जल्दी।
अब बाकी आप टाइम बाकी आप फिर मुझे फुर्सत से फोन करेंगी तो फिर मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे किया जाएगा। लेकिन इसमें केवल यही ट्रिक है बस, यू हैव टू आंसर एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल, एज क्विक एज पॉसिबल, सिंपल ट्रिक। ओके, थैंक यू डॉक्टर सविता,
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू
फॉर स्पेयरिंग a few minutes for us. Thank you. Anybody else who want to share anything from us, or should we pack up? Okay. Over to you, Dr. Upreti. Now you please call the organizing secretary, Dr. Jaya Kanpal, to conclude this.
Okay, over to you, Dr. Jaya Kanpal. You may present a vote of thanks from. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Atul Upreti sir, for giving me opportunity to present the vote of thanks to the participants and the eminent guest of the skill development program. This program was designed to help students and teachers you know the basics of computers but have little knowledge about online tools available. So, looking at the response of participants and the appreciation we have received from students and teachers across the country, I can safely call this event very successful. As we are heading towards the end of this session, I would like to congratulate the entire team of SDPOT and my special thanks to Dr. Adarsh Pandey sir and Dr. Atul Upreti sir for conceptualizing this program. Also thankful to Dr. Nirupama Dalakoti madam. On behalf of SRBS entire organization team and on my own personal behalf, I extend a deep sense of gratitude to our eminent chief guest and all the teachers present here from different universities and colleges. At last, I would like to thank all the participants once again for their support.